to pandemic, here we are gathered to celebrate our own existence, our own being, our own Mother Earth. So in advance, a very happy Earth Day to you. So before we start, I just want all to do a little bit of warm up, like a fun activity before we start. Okay. So as most of the cameras are on, I just want all to raise up this finger. Okay. Just simply raise this finger. Okay. Bend it towards the screen. Bend it towards the screen. Yeah, all of you come on, do it. It's fun. Yeah. Bend it towards the screen, right? Now try making a triangle with it, like this. Teachers, all of you, just try. It's fun. Easy peasy, right? Right. Easy. Right. Now take out the other finger, bend it towards the screen, and try making a square. This is also easy. We have learned all this, right? Triangle, square. Yeah. Okay. Is my voice? Am I clear? Right. Now the fun part is this. With this finger, now make triangle, and with this square, like this. Try make it. I know we all won't succeed, but try make it. Are you all doing or not?
दीदी what? दीदी क्या करना है?
ये वाली फिंगर लो, बैंड करो, इससे ट्रायंगल बनाओ और इससे स्क्वायर बनाओ. Try it. Open up your cameras, guys. I'm also doing this stuff in front of you. We all are messing up, I think, like me. Is there anyone who is able to do? Please tell me.
No, Didi.
Nahi ho raha na? So, who failed in this? Let's try this one. Simple. 2 time clicks, 1 time clap. Try to synchronize. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Unmute your mics here. I want to listen the sound. Hey, we will rock on. Yeah, amazing. So now we are done with the fun part. Let's come to the serious part now. So yeah, so today we are all gathered here to celebrate our Earth Day. As you can see the front page of our today's presentation, it says Earth to use, yours to take care. What does it mean? It simply signifies how we are using our earth just as a commodity, just how we use other things, we are using this earth. And when it comes to repay or to fulfill our responsibility, we consider it as someone else's. Like जब use करने की बातें आती है, तब अर्थ हमारा है, और जब उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने की, जब अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज निभाने की बात आती है, तो अर्थ किसी और का है, उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, हमारी नहीं. Right? So this is the attitude that we want to change, that we are the only ones using, so we should be the only one responsible for the damage that we are creating, right? Right. So we should change their attitude, us to use, yours to take care. So the whole motive of this today's presentation would be to change the attitude and feel the obligation, the responsibilities that we have towards our planet Earth. You know what? I always used to wonder that अगर अर्थ एक इंसान होता और मुझे उसको लिए कुछ लेटर लिखना होता, तो मैं क्या लिखती? वैसे तो ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा, प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने से पहले ही सोचा था, बट इट्स ओके. तो अगर प्लैनेट अर्थ एक इंसान होता और हम अगर उसको कोई लेटर लिखते, तो मैंने ट्राई किया वो लेटर लिखना. So here it goes like this. Pallavi, sorry, but unmute yourself. You will get chance when you have to unmute. Now please mute. Okay, thank you. So, just a second. Why is it? Yeah, perfect. So I tried to write this letter that I would like my planet Earth to listen. These are the justifications that we give ourselves why we don't have time to get to Earth, right? So here it goes. Dear Earth, it's been a pleasure to use you for centuries. I am indebted to all your services, but not in mood to repay you by any means. You have such a big heart to let us destroy you. In every century, we have found a new way to tickle your tolerance. Still, you save us like an insurance. You know we love you, but we have our needs too. You should understand why we can't repay you. Don't you think we have other tasks to do? We have to make money, watch our favorite series, comment on my friend's post, share my favorite joke, or you can say meme. It's trendy now. Then we'll let you know if I can help or not. I think it's fine for you to wait until I make some arrangements. I will definitely look into your matter one day or another. But I can promise you that my children will definitely do. That's because until then, they won't have an option to choose. Hope you will understand my critical situation and will still keep helping me. Regards, your best wisher. I know some of you must be thinking that what the hell Didi is speaking, right? But truly, these are the justifications that we give ourselves, that we don't have time, that we have many things to do in our life, not just to repay our earth or to just repay our indebts, right? So these are the silly justifications that we give to ourselves. But this is the time to realize, this is the time, this is the alarming situation, especially see around the pandemic. So there are the alarming situations that we have to consider. That no, it's your duty, it's your obligation, it's your responsibility. Consider this problem worth your attention. So I think the message of this letter is crystal clear to you. Am I right? Yeah. So moving forward, now I would like to discuss with you an important topic, that is ecosystem services. First of all, what are ecosystem services? Ecosystem services are simply the benefits or the perks that we derive from the nature, like the things that nature provides us, the things that makes earth habitable for the human beings, right? So these are simply the benefits that we take from our planet earth. So the question for you guys is, what are the ecosystem services you use in your community? आप अपने आसपास ऐसी कौन सी इकोसिस्टम सर्विसेज हैं जो अपनी कम्युनिटी में आप यूज करते हो? I will give you an example, like clean water you drink, or the food that you eat, or you can say wood, or anything that comes to your mind. I just want you all to unmute yourself and suggest some ecosystem services that you use in our daily lives or anything.
Didi, air.
Yeah. Perfect. Anything else? Yeah, come on, guys. Unmute yourself.
The land we use.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Forest.
Yeah, land.
Trees.
What?
Trees and plants.
Yeah, trees, plants, wood extracted from them, the fruits. Yeah.
Fruits and vegetables that we take from trees.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, come on, guys. There are many things. You just name them.
The medicines that we use to cure our diseases.
Yeah, herbal medicines. Yeah.
The cloth we wear from the animals' skins.
Yeah, from the animal skin, and also the cotton that we use for the manufacturing of clothes.
And from sheep.
Yeah.
Crops.
And one more thing, अगर मतलब ऐसे टाइम पास करने के लिए कोई आया है, so यार go on guys, scroll some Instagram और Facebook. यहाँ पे क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करना है, right? तो अगर परेशान करने के लिए आया हो तो leave it यार, बहुत अच्छे काम है बाहर.
Ma'am, food.
Yeah, food that we eat.
Animals like buffaloes, cows, sheep.
Yeah. The milk that we drink daily comes from the ecosystem that we live in. Yeah. Come on. There are many things, innumerable things that we derive from the nature. Some are processed, some are not. You can simply say anything. Come on.
Natural fibers such as silk.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Light from the sun.
Yes. Yeah, okay. So we got a lot of answers that you gave, that these are the things that we derive from the nature. But the twisted part here is, or you can say the surprising fact is, you name anything, it would be derived from nature. You name anything, even the things that we have made would have some connection with the nature. The humans, in today's time, the humans are not able to produce anything that the primary factors of which are not derived from nature. I can bet you name anything. If you want to name robots that we have made, guys, the metal that we are using to make robots is from the nature. Or you can say apps, but the apps is simply a digital form. To access that, we need hardware, and the hardware is made from the things that we derive from nature, the metals, and many things more. So the twisted part is, everything that you use or you have used is from the nature. From this very fact, it is very clear that how important our nature is to us, to our own being, to our own existence. That's why in our Indian traditions or Indian culture, we call our planet Earth, Mother Earth. Mother is someone who gives you all your life and doesn't ask anything. But it becomes our responsibility to pay back, or when, even at least when we are the only one who are harming, it's our responsibility to pay back, isn't it? So this highlights the very nature, the very dependent nature of the human beings on the nature. So the next comes is, what is climate change? A very hot topic to discuss, a very common topic to discuss. But still, what we all know is the extreme weather conditions, this and this, only the ice of the cake, right? But there are much things. To tackle the problem, we need to understand the problem. So this is a very intricate topic, or you can say बहुत ही deep topic होता है climate change. So here with us is Tulika from class 12, who will discuss with you what are the intricacies or what are the tiniest things that are there in the climate change. Tulika, here you go.
Thank you, Ayushi, for that introduction. So now I'll begin. Good evening, everyone. My name is Tulika Yadav, and I'm a student of class 12. Today, I'll be speaking about climate change. All right. First of all, I would like to thank the principal ma'am and teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak on such an important topic. All right. I would like to start by telling you all about climate change. What exactly is it? And why is it a concerning topic for all the international authorities? To begin with, let's start by looking at the factors that need life to sustain on our planet. The factors are, as we know it, air, that is the atmosphere. Then there is water. And most important of them all is an adequate temperature. See, our blue planet has a very special place in our solar system. It is neither too far away from the sun, nor is it too close. It is just in the habitable zone. But if this temperature is disturbed, it may have a severe effect on all the inhabitants of the planet. Climate change is not something that has happened overnight. In fact, it is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have led to some sort of damage. The reasons that lead to climate change are, first of all, the most important reason is global warming. All right. Now, we all must have questioned ourselves that what is global warming? So it is a long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial eras between 1850 and 1900. Due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat-trapping greenhouse gas levels in the Earth's atmosphere. The second most important reason is the axis of the emission of CO2 into the atmosphere. Humans have increased atmospheric CO2 concentration by 47%, which is a lot of amount. 47% makes a lot of difference. And since the Industrial Revolution began, this is the most important long-lived forcing of climate change. The third important factor is the presence of nitrous oxide in our atmosphere. It is a powerful greenhouse gas produced by soil cultivation practices, especially the use of commercial and organic fertilizers. Fossil fuel combustion, etc., lead to the contribution of nitrous oxide in the atmosphere. Now, there are many more factors that lead to climate change, but to summarize, these are some of the most important ones. Now that we know what exactly is climate change, what are the factors that contribute in climate change, we must know how to fight it and reduce its effects. The basic thing that we all can do is to plant as many trees as we can and conserve as many trees as we can. We have been taught to do such things from a very young age. But these teachings, we must learn from these teachings and we must practically follow them and take actions towards them. Because trees are the only resource that we have that can fight all the factors of climate change. Now, there are many more ways by which we can stop climate change. The primary ones are, first, to power your home with renewable energy. Second is invest in energy efficient appliances. The third is reduced wastewater. These are simple things that we all can do, even at our homes. Wasting water, we can stop by doing so, conserving it, and definitely to actually eat the food that you buy and reduce and cut down the access of meat in your daily diet. This will prevent the planet from deforestation and a lot of other things. And this will also reduce the waste that is being collected by humans for many and many years. So at last, I would like to urge you all to take a step towards a big cause and fight climate change, as this is the biggest crisis humanity has ever faced. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Tulika, for such a thought-provoking speech. So as it is very clear, crystal clear from Tulika's speech, that the climate change is the result only of the human activities or anthropogenic activities, right? There is a saying that if all the insects will disappear from the earth, the planet will collapse in few years. But if all the humans will disappear from the earth, it will flourish, right? So we all understood that how we are the only reason of the climate change of this disaster. So as we understood now what the climate change is, we should take one step forward, as also Tulika said about some of the ways that we can prevent, or you can say we can take a step to combat the climate change. The thing is, change can change the climate change. So even a small change, a small step or a drop in the ocean can make a difference sometimes. So to summarize the things that Tulika said in last of our part, our drop in a bucket, or so the first point is our attention and acknowledgement. हमें climate change हुआ, earth हुआ, उसको अब हमारा ध्यान जाए, हम अपना ध्यान दें और अपने आसपास जो लोग हैं उनसे डिस्कस करें, उसको make the topic worth your attention. We need to discuss it, right? अगर हम discuss नहीं करेंगे, then how we will come to know the solutions, how we will tackle it. So ये सबसे पहले बहुत जरूरी होता है कि हम इस टॉपिक पे बात करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपने टीचर्स के साथ, राइट? तो जब बात करेंगे तभी कोई सॉल्यूशन निकल के आएगा, या फिर हम एटलीस्ट उस प्रॉब्लम को ही अच्छे से समझेंगे दैट व्हाट द हेल्प द प्रॉब्लम इज. So the first one is our attention and acknowledgement. Second, be frugal and save some money, guys. Be frugal means the resources you have or the things you have value of them. जैसे कि तुलिका ने बताया कि अगर कोई अप्लायंसेस हम यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो हम उसको बंद कर सकते हैं. अगर हम रूम से बाहर जा रहे हैं तो पंखा बंद कर सकते हैं. In this way you will save money, I agree, but you will also save the energy that is being wasted and that was produced by in the factories which are producing a lot of carbon emission. So simply by reducing the energy we use, we can have a great impact in combating the climate change. Third is minimalism. What is minimalism? Minimalism is simply a lifestyle that we need to follow to sustain on this very planet, right? minimalism, you can see around there is trend going, right? Excessive consumption, or you can say materialism. कि जितनी ज्यादा चीजें आपके पास है, मतलब लोगों, they people derive their happiness from the things they consume, right? So minimalism is the thing that try to reduce your wants, the unnecessary wants that we have, right? So you can simply avoid the temptation of buying that black dress in the store, and it will make an impact, believe me. Or you can simply just don't buy a sneaker, or because we already have shoes, right? You can avoid simple things and it will make an impact. Try to apply minimalism in your life. It will make a difference. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप एक ट्री प्लांट करोगे या फिर कोई बहुत बड़ा काम करोगे, then only it will have an impact. बहुत छोटी छोटी सिंपल चीजें होती हैं that it will have an impact. छोटी छोटी चीजें आप कर सकते हो. The fourth point is planned and organized actions. What are plans? So when we are discussing it with our friends or with our family, we need to come up with planned and organized actions. कि हम एक community level पे या फिर एक group level पे हम क्या action ले सकते हैं, या फिर हम कैसे awareness फैला सकते हैं, या फिर हम कैसे awareness को action में convert कर सकते हैं. So these are the things we have to discuss about. And the last but not the least, knowledge. We need to understand the problem first to find the solution. I'm telling this again and again. Knowledge about our planet is very important for our own existence. So know about it as much as you can. So the next question I have for you is how we are harming our environment. We always talk about we are harming our planet. We should not harm our planet. But how we are harming it? What are the ways? What are our daily activities that in which we are harming our planet? They can be very easy, like कुछ भी हो सकता है that buying a chips of packet, it will create a waste and you will just simply throw it away. This is the way that we are harming environment. Come up here with your own ideas and tell me how we are harming our environment. A simple one.
By using non-biodegradable things.
Yeah, of course.
By the burning of forest.
Yeah, very good.
By the cutting of trees.
Yeah.
By using vehicles, it produces smoke.
Yeah, absolutely.
By wasting
over pollution.
Yeah, over pollution. Yeah.
The overpopulation.
Yeah, that's the mother of every problem, overpopulation. Yeah, come up. There are many.
See, more and more students should speak up. आप हिंदी में बताइए आपको क्या लगता है, क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं हमारे क्लाइमेट चेंज में. आपने न्यूज में पढ़ा होगा, अखबारों में पढ़ा होगा, आप उसमें अपने रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से, चाहे लोगों ने बोल भी दिया, यू कैन रिपीट दोस फैक्ट्स एज वेल, मगर यू नीड टू स्पीक अप.
Yeah,
water pollution, yes.
Yeah.
Water pollution.
And
definitely.
please don't take language as a barrier. It is just a way to communicate, okay? मतलब मुझे कंफर्टेबल होता है तो मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स कर देती हूँ. आप बैरियर मत, आपको जैसे बोलना है बोलिए, बस बोलिए. Be engage with us.
Soil erosion.
What?
Soil erosion.
Yeah, soil erosion.
Soil erosion.
Very important one.
Reusing a lots of plastics.
Yeah.
Yes.
So much problem. Do you know what? It is estimated that by 2050, there would be more plastic in our oceans than fish.
See.
Sad fact. Yeah, continue.
That is such a big fact. कि मतलब फिशेस से भी ज्यादा पानी में प्लास्टिक होगा. So you can imagine कि humans की क्या tendency है. We can harm our planet so much.
Yeah, come up. कोई daily life.
Burning of fossil fuels.
Yeah.
Burning of fossil fuels. That is the primarily reason. Very nice answer.
Come on.
Global warming.
Yeah, global
warming, yes.
Come up with daily activities जो आप रोज करते हो, जो हार्म कर रही है. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म करती हैं, बट हमारा कभी ध्यान ही नहीं गया.
The rising of harmful gases.
Poor
air quality.
Poor air quality. No, the question is how we are harming our environment. These are the result of degradation of the environment, right? So what? How we are involving in in the degradation. My question is that.
हाँ, लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. जैसे कि आप कभी किसी शॉपिंग स्टोर में जाते हो, राइट? आपने वहां से डेली यूजेस के आपने अपने ग्रोसरीज का सामान खरीदा, सब कुछ खरीदा, बट यू नेवर थिंक इन योर माइंड कि मैं प्लास्टिक में उन्हें रैप ना कराऊं, मैं उन्हें पॉलिथीन में रैप ना कराऊं. उससे आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप घर जाके यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सिंपली थ्रो दैट पॉलिथीन आउट. Instead, you can use biodegradable things such as you can carry your own jute bag. आप अपना खुद का जूट बैग लेके जा सकते हो. ये चीजें आप डेली लाइफ में कर सकते हो और इनका इम्पैक्ट बहुत बड़ा होगा अगर एक फैमिली भी ये करे.
So the one word, one word for Tulika's example is waste generation. How much waste we produce in our daily life? Just see, in your dustbin you see every day this much big dustbin we have in our homes, and daily it is filled with the plastics, or I don't know what are the other things.
And you should start segregating them. मतलब नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल और बायोडिग्रेडेबल को अलग डस्टबिन में रखो. उससे क्या होता है, आप डंप यार्ड में भेजोगे, सो बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल गेट मिक्स्ड अप. उसका कोई रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं निकलने वाला है. प्लास्टिक रियूजेबल हो सकता है और जो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल है, इट कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन एंड इट कैन मिक्स विद द सॉइल.
एंड
अब आप लोग आंसर कीजिए.
द इम्पोर्टेंस इज, अगर वो फिर होना चाहेगा भी ना रियूजेबल, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा अगर मिक्स कर देंगे या कम अप विद जल्दी.
कभी हम जो पैकेट्स होते हैं या गार्बेज होता है वो वाटर में फेंक देते हैं, जिससे वाटर गंदा हो जाता है और वाटर पॉल्यूशन होता है.
एब्सोल्युटली. आप वो भी देख सकते हो कि हम जो मंदिरों का कचरा होता है, वो इंडियन ट्रेडिशंस में वो है कि हम नदी में ही सराहते हैं. चलो वो ठीक है, क्योंकि ना वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल होता है, दे आर द फ्लावर्स. बट कभी भी हम जाएं तो ध्यान रखें कि उन फूलों के साथ पन्नियां नहीं जाएं. ठीक है, छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, वेरी लिटिल थिंग्स. अगर हम ध्यान दें तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं और दे विल मेक अ डिफरेंस. हाँ, जैसे ये बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल था जिसने डेली लाइफ से दिया. और
डिफॉरेस्टेशन.
वेस्टिंग वाटर.
क्या?
By wasting water.
Yeah, by wasting water.
Wasting water, that is a very big thing. टूथब्रश करते करते हम अपना पानी का नल खुला
रहता है. वही ये क्या एक्टिविटी? आई डोंट,
पानी जाता रहा है.
आई डोंट नो. आप ब्रश कर रहे हो यार, टैप एटलीस्ट बंद करो. आई डोंट नो.
By throwing plastics in open areas.
हाँ, it causes soil degradation. Absolutely. वो एक तो खराब जो गैसेस होता है वो रिलीज करता है, ऊपर से सॉइल की क्वालिटी है वो भी डिक्रीज करता है जो उसके अंदर प्लास्टिक होता है. इट्स वेरी बैड.
And Didi, by throwing open areas, plastic animal eat the plastic and they got damaged in their life.
हाँ, बहुत बार कितने केसेस आए हैं that the cows, the stray cows eat the polythene and they simply die. Absolutely. Thank you so much for so much responses. We will come to next slide. Yeah. No, let it be closed. I want to introduce. So now I want you all to suppose that there is a conference at a national level and you are the representative of your city. मतलब कि एक नेशनल लेवल पे कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है क्लाइमेट चेंज के ऊपर और आप अपने सिटी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. ओके, तो आप वहां जाओगे. अगर आप अपनी सिटी को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो तो इट्स ऑब्वियस दैट यू हैव द पावर्स और द रिसोर्सेज. तो अगर आप वहां जाओगे तो वहां आप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो तो आप वहां क्या बोलना चाहोगे, या फिर आप ऐसे कौन से स्टेप्स है दैट यू वांट टू टेक इन योर सिटी टू एलिवेट दिस प्रॉब्लम. तो इस प्रॉब्लम को कम करने के लिए ऐसे कौन से स्टेप्स हैं जो आप लेना चाहोगे, एंड हाउ विल यू डू इट? थिंक अबाउट इट एंड अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Firstly, we have to ban the plastic bags.
Yeah, you mean single-use plastic. Very nice, amazing, very necessary to ban single-use plastics. Very good, Megha.
आप लोग हिंदी में आंसर दीजिए, किसी को भी देना है.
वही कोई अंग्रेज नहीं आया यहाँ पे, सबको समझ आती है हिंदी.
Didi, stop wastage of water.
हाँ, okay, very good. We will suggest some. How will you take steps to stop the wastage of water in your city?
उसके बारे में कमेंट कीजिए. कैसे आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे?
अगर आप कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोलते हैं कि हमें पानी की वेस्टेज कम करना चाहिए, तो आप उनको ये भी तो बताओगे ना कि आप कैसे करना चाहोगे. अगर आपने सोचा है तो ये भी तो सोचा होगा ना कि आप कोई भी सिंपल वे हो सकता है, कोई भी दैट कि है ना, कुछ भी सिंपल वे हो सकता है, जैसे कि अगर आप पाए, अगर रेजिडेंट्स पाए गए वेस्ट करते हुए पानी, तो यू विल फाइंड देम. इट कैन बी एज इजी एज दिस.
और
कम अप.
दीदी रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं, हर होम में ये लॉ बना दिया जाए.
Very good, amazing. I was waiting for this answer. I was waiting in that. Tamil Nadu, the state Tamil Nadu has made compulsory for all the houses to have rainwater harvesting. It's a very nice step, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, it should be a law for everyone to use rainwater harvesting at their homes. It's very easy and very effective. Yeah.
दीदी हर घर में इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी की बजाय सोलर एनर्जी या विंड एनर्जी का यूज हो.
ओके, ठीक है. तो आप लोगों को एनकरेज करेंगे, आप लोगों को एक तरीके से सब्सिडी देंगे, दैट कोई बेनिफिट देंगे, दैट दे ट्राई टू यूज सोलर एनर्जी इन देयर होम्स, राइट?
अब द थिंग इज मेघा, द फैक्ट दैट यू स्टेटेड ना कि हमें सोलर एनर्जी को हर घर में करना चाहिए. अब मैं इसमें एक ट्विस्ट बताती हूँ आपको कि आप इसी स्टेटमेंट को इस तरीके से कर सकते हो कि गवर्नमेंट शुड फंड दिस, बिकॉज द सोलर पैनल्स हर कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता उसे, दे आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट को खुद इंस्टॉल करके देना चाहिए. ये एक अच्छा, और इट विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव, बिकॉज सिर्फ अमीर ही नहीं बल्कि जो मिडिल क्लास एंड द पुअर पीपल, दे कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट बाय यूजिंग द सोलर पैनल्स इन देयर डेली लाइव्स.
Absolutely. Or try to make your sentences like you are in that conference, like make it formal. Yeah, very good ideas are coming.
My thoughts on this is like ban on these things is not a solution. Ban on plastic. Ban on plastic. Plastic is the thing जिसमें हम बहुत ज़्यादा dependent है. तो overnight ban on this type of things will make things difficult around us. Instead of banning things, I would try to make laws which ensure the optimum usage of these type of things. And I'll do one more thing. We all know e-commerce websites, right? Amazon, Flipkart, and now it's the trend or anything like that, that everyone wishes to buy anything online. So I'll try to make laws that if e-commerce websites want to work in my country, they need to plant a tree and link that tree to every order they receive on daily basis. This will result to mass plantation of trees, and this will help to counter climate change. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely amazing. So yeah, it can be a way. It can be a way to encourage the e-commerce websites to reduce ये भी पढ़ा है मैंने जब मैं एक बार प्लास्टिक का सेशन लिया था, that the polythenes that come in the online packaging, right? दे आर द मोस्ट हार्मफुल. तो इसीलिए पता है कभी कभी इंटरनेट से शॉपिंग करने भी डिस्करेज करते हैं, क्योंकि जो पैकिंग में जो प्लास्टिक आता है इट्स वेरी हार्मफुल. सो या इट कैन बी वे दैट ऑन एवरी डिलीवरी दे हैव टू प्लांट अ ट्री, सो इट विल समहाउ elevate the harm they are causing, right? Very nice.
Because overnight ban on these type of things like plastic, because the substitution for plastic थोड़े महंगे हैं, इसलिए हर कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता. और प्लास्टिक पे if we take the example of our own country, आप खुद देख सकते हो कि लोग कितने ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट है प्लास्टिक. तो overnight ban, if ban is the solution, then it should be done by step by step. Step by step. Overnight ban isn't the solution. It will increase a lot of difficulties in our life.
Yeah, so before banning, the government should start giving the options first before banning it, right? Yeah. So next,
and the idea that he gave.
The optimum use of plastic.
Yeah. Go on, Divyansh. You can.
Yeah. So just a second. So जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस करा कि आप सपोज करो कि ऐसा कॉन्फ्रेंस है, so good news is कि कल अर्थ डे पर ऐसा एक Tulika, unmute yourself. Oh, sorry, mute yourself. So the good news is कि है ना अर्थ जो भी है जिसका माइक ऑन है, प्लीज mute yourself.
There was no disturbance from my side. Okay. I think so. It was someone else.
So जो भी है प्लीज म्यूट कर लो, थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है. So the good news is कल ऐसी कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है. There is a global conference organized on Earth Day जहाँ पे 40 कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट करेंगी, इंक्लूडिंग आवर कंट्री इंडिया. वहां पे सारे लीडर्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज will gather to discuss their contribution that they want to do, or they are doing, or they are expecting to do in for combating the climate change and their further plans. Now your task is, imagine yourself as a representative of India or any other country. No, consider India. Imagine yourself as a representative of India. What will you say in the conference? What would your same question? What would you like to do in your country to combat this problem? How will you do it? So the question, first of all, simply clears that you have the power and resources because you are representing the country. So just imagine that you have the power and the resources that you can do. Now come up with some more ideas what you will do as being the leader of the country. Come on, guys. And try making it formal because you are in a global conference. हिंदी में बोल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं, वहां पे ट्रांसलेट हो जाएगा.
By making it formal, it doesn't mean कि आपको इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे से बोलना है. Making it formal means use correct sentences, सही meaningful sentences. उस वे में आप बोलिए, चाहे हिंदी चाहे इंग्लिश.
Come on. रिपीट भी कर सकते हो, क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट हुआ है, कोई बात. Come on. Come on. अच्छा ठीक है.
Speak up, guys. बोलो.
उससे अच्छा इससे पहले ये बताओ, अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? जल्दी बताओ, 1 सेकंड में आंसर.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प.
जो बाइडेन.
कौन बोला डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प?
जो बाइडेन.
ओके. कौन बोला डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प?
जो बाइडेन.
जो बाइडेन है, जो भी बोला डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प. ही चेंज.
वो तो पहले था.
इलेक्शन हो चुके हैं, वो चेंज हो गया है. सो इट्स जो बाइडेन. या नाउ स्पीक अप.
Ayushi, repeat your question so that they can understand it better.
Okay. So imagine करिए आप एक ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में हैं. इमेजिन क्या करिए, ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस कल होने वाली है. कल ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस होने वाली है अर्थ डे के उपलक्ष्य में. सो जिसमें कि 40 कंट्रीज पार्टिसिपेट करेंगी, जिसमें कि इंडिया भी पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, टू डिस्कस देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन. मतलब कि वो क्या कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे या फिर वो एज अ कंट्री क्या करेंगे इन कॉम्बैटिंग द क्लाइमेट चेंज से लड़ने के लिए, उनके प्लान्स क्या हैं. सो इमेजिन योरसेल्फ एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ इंडिया. आप इमेजिन करिए दैट यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया इन दैट ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस. व्हाट विल यू से इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस? What would you like to do in your country to combat this problem? How will you do it? It can be simple statement. Come on.
दीदी, हम जो है जो प्लास्टिक बैग्स हैं उन्हें हम बैन करने की सोचेंगे धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि जिससे प्रॉब्लम भी ना आए, और जो पेपर बैग्स, जो भी बैग जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल है, उन्हें यूज करना स्टार्ट करें.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो आप एज अ कंट्री रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आप वहीं पे कहेंगे कि हम हमारी कंट्री के जो सिटीजन्स हैं उन्हें एनकरेज करेंगे कि वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल
पेपर बैग्स, क्लॉथ बैग्स,
पेपर बैग्स, जूट बैग्स और एनीथिंग दैट इज अवेलेबल टू देम वो यूज करें इंस्टेड ऑफ सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक. राइट?
यस.
गुड. सम मोर. बहुत सारे. बाय द वे, आई लव दैट रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग वन. यू कैन रिपीट इट वन मोर टाइम.
कुछ लोग मतलब ये भी व्हीकल्स का यूज करते हैं, तो ये चाहेंगे कि शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस के लिए लोग बाय वॉक साइकिल्स का यूज करें, जिससे एयर.
Yeah, amazing. So as a representative, you will encourage your citizens to avoid the vehicle as much as possible. If needed, they can go for public transports, right?
So that is carpooling. Carpooling, जैसा कि आप अपने डेली लाइफ में ही करते हो. When you go to school, हमारी सरकार और सबने ये भी सोच रखा है, we have given the opportunity for the students to use buses. उसमें हम बहुत ज्यादा emission of carbon dioxide रोक रहे हैं, which is the main reason for climate change. इसलिए वो एक प्राइमरीली रीजन है. अगर आप कारपूलिंग को अप्रिशिएट करते हो और उसे डेली लाइफ में प्रैक्टिकली यूज करते हो, तो इट विल बी मच मोर बेटर ना.
या तो जैसे कि दिल्ली के सीएम ने भी किया था इवन ऑड, इट वाज अ नाइस आइडिया.
The odd even scheme.
Yeah, come up. You are the representative of a country. You have all the power.
दीदी
Yeah.
दीदी हम जो है ये जो पेट्रोल वाली जो भी व्हीकल्स होती है वो पॉल्यूशन करती है, इसकी जगह हम या तो बैटरी वाली जो सोलर पैनल से चलती है या जो बैटरी से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक से चलती है वो वाली व्हीकल्स के लिए हम कह सकते हैं लोगों की, या वो वाले व्हीकल्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूज करें, इससे पॉल्यूशन भी कम होगा.
हाँ गुड.
जैसे कि ई रिक्शा हम देख रहे हैं अपने आसपास, हाउ पॉपुलर दे आर एंड हाउ इफेक्टिव दे आर. या वी विल एनकरेज दिस. वेरी गुड.
By using water, what
Didi, we encourage our country persons to buy only the food that they need.
So it will reduce the food wastage. You know, food wastage is one of the major reasons for the pollution. It is estimated like 1/3 food that is produced is wasted. It never reaches the plates. So हमें तो हमारे हिंदू ट्रेडिशन में सिखाया भी जाता है दैट खाना प्रसाद होता है, कभी उसको फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. सो एवरी टाइम यू buy some food or even go to the marriages, take as much you want, don't waste it.
We can do the rainwater harvesting.
We can encourage or even make a law that rainwater harvesting should be compulsory. Government should fund it.
Because in India there are the lots of farming where we can do the rainwater harvesting.
Yeah, सही बात है, क्योंकि
farming to grow the crops.
Yeah, क्योंकि क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से सबसे ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट फार्मर्स को ही पड़ रहा है. तो अगर फार्मर्स ही रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग करेंगे देन इट वुड बी अमेजिंग फॉर देम आल्सो.
किसी को ड्रिप इरिगेशन के बारे में मालूम है? व्हाट इज ड्रिप इरिगेशन?
यस मैम. मे आई से?
यस मैम.
हाँ, स्पीक अप.
वेरी गुड.
यस मैम, ड्रिप इरिगेशन मैम वो होता है जिसमें मैम जो भी हम प्लांट्स हैं मैम उन्हें जो वाटर है मैम वो ड्रिप के थ्रू मैम मिलता है, कि मैम ड्रिप मैम उसमें प्लांट मैम गिरती रहती है और इससे मैम वाटर भी कंजर्व होता है और मैम वाटर का वेस्टेज भी नहीं होता. प्लांट को जितना मैम वाटर चाहिए उतना ही मैम उसे मिलता है.
ग्रेट एक्सप्लेनेशन. ये बेस्ट एंड इजीएस्ट वे टू डिस्क्राइब ड्रिप इरिगेशन. बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेनेशन था. वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू.
It's a very water effective way to do, right? So we will do explanation come because time is up, going to up very soon. So the suggestions were very nice. Anyone else who wants to speak up? I don't want anyone to miss. Yes.
The factories which was giving the pollution and throw the wastage in the water, we have to stop them and we have to save the water. And we have to
Okay, so you want to say that as being the representative of country in a big scale, we can say that कि हम factories जो हैं,
मुझे अपना मोबाइल दिखाओ. मेरे तो मोबाइल में वो चली जाती है ना फिर वो.
Sorry ma'am. Okay, so as a being the representative of country on a big scale, we can say that हम factories जो हैं उनको compulsory कर सकते हैं that you have to treat your waste first before discharging it into the water bodies. कि आप अपना जो अगर बिग स्केल पे हम बात करते हैं तो हम कंपनीज के लिए लॉ तक बना सकते हैं कि कंपनीज के लिए कंपलसरी होगा दैट यू हैव टू ट्रीट योर वेस्टेज फर्स्ट बिफोर डिस्चार्जिंग इट, क्योंकि जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं दे आर द बिगेस्ट रीजन फॉर पॉल्यूटिंग द वाटर बॉडीज. राइट. या इट वाज ग्रेट सजेशन. Come on, is anyone left or we can just move on?
Excuse me. The fossil fuels का कम यूज करेंगे और नदियों को साफ रखने के लिए स्ट्रिक्टली रूल्स बनाएंगे.
वेरी गुड. या सही बात है कि फॉसिल फ्यूल का जितना हो सके उसको डिस्करेज करेंगे उसका यूज. फॉसिल फ्यूल्स आर यूज्ड एवरीवेयर एंड वी ऑल नो दे आर like not unlimited. They are going to exist one day or another, right? So we have to discourage it. Yeah, very good. We can make law on that.
We have to make a law that one person have to plant the one tree.
Yeah, very good. Now it can be make a law.
अच्छा, आयुषी.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Hello.
Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Ayushi and Tulika, first of all, congratulations. That was a very informative presentation. Beta, I really appreciate your hard work and for volunteering to speak on such an important topic. ठीक है बेटा? In today's time and enlightening everyone on importance of environmental conservation. ठीक है? I encourage beta other students also to participate in future and volunteer to speak on topics of importance and concern. ठीक है बेटा? Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think meeting is about to close.
Yes, ma'am. We are just concluding it.
Okay, beta. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So absolutely, as ma'am said, it's our responsibility to speak up. So our next topic is what is ecological footprint? Ecological footprint क्या होता है? Ecological footprint is simply the estimation. हम जब अंदाजा लगाते हैं कि एक इंसान या फिर you can say the whole humanity कि वो कितना productive land या फिर renewables या फिर things from the environment कितना use कर रहा है या फिर कितना अपना उस पे अपना क्या you can say that कि कितना यूज कर रहा है, कितना कंज्यूम कर रहा है उसे, राइट? सो इकोलॉजिकल फुटप्रिंट इज दैट हाउ मच वी आर यूजिंग द रिन्यूएबल्स और द प्रोडक्टिव लैंड ऑफ आवर अर्थ. सो देयर इज अ सेइंग इन अ बुक द फॉल्ट इन आवर स्टार्स, द मार्क्स ह्यूमन मेक आर ऑफन स्कार्स. सो जो हम चीजें करते हैं या फिर जो हम इस धरती पर रहकर जो भी हम अचीव करते हैं, ज्यादातर वो इस प्लैनेट के लिए धब्बे ही होते हैं, राइट? सो द मैसेज इज क्लियर. So don't you think it's important to reduce our ecological footprint in every way we can? Can you suggest some easy and simple ways we can reduce it, or some planned actions a community can do? I think we have already discussed, right? But is anything new? Yeah.
Didi, we can buy eco-friendly supplies.
Yeah, very good. We can buy eco-friendly supplies.
दीदी, हम जो अभी इन्वेंशंस जो भी हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ रही है, हम बढ़ तो रहे हैं, लेकिन जो है हम नेचर को ध्यान में रख के अपनी चीजें नहीं कर रहे हैं. जैसे हमने गाड़ी बनाई, उससे हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ी, लेकिन हम उससे जो है हमारे नेचर को, उससे एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है. तो हम जो भी बना रहे हैं वो हमारे नेचर को अफेक्ट कर रहा है. तो हमें कुछ ऐसी चीजें बनानी चाहिए और ये देख के बनानी चाहिए कि वो हमारे नेचर पे क्या असर डालती हैं. इस तरह ही उसे बनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे जाके वरना जो हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर है वो बहुत पॉल्यूट हो जाएगा.
Yeah, absolutely. You see the example, जब मैनकाइंड ने प्लास्टिक इन्वेंट करी तो तब वो लोग बहुत खुश थे, क्योंकि उससे पहले जो फूड होता था वो बहुत वेस्ट हो जाता था, बिकॉज वी वर अनेबल टू स्टोर इट. तो उस टाइम सब इतना खुश हुए दैट इट इज द बेस्ट इन्वेंशन ऑफ द मैनकाइंड. बट उस टाइम इतना खुश हो गए कि इतना प्रोड्यूस करने लगे. नाउ वी कैन सी द कंडीशन ऑफ आवर अर्थ. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कंसिडर कि अगर जो भी हम स्टेप ले रहे हैं कि लॉन्ग रन में उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा हमारे नेचर में. कोई भी स्टेप जो हम ले रहे हैं इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेरी गुड श्रेयांश.
थैंक यू दीदी.
एनीथिंग एल्स?
और दीदी, जो नेचर में जो कई सारे अलग दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, उनकी भी केयर करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो नेचर से जुड़े हुए हैं, वो बहुत कुछ दे सकते हैं हमें. कई तो हमारे डेली लाइफ से हम वो एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, ऐसे चिड़िया को पानी ऐसे दे देते हैं, लेकिन और भी कई सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, जैसे ये टाइगर और लायंस वगैरह भी इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस बनाने में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, और वही जाते जा रहे हैं, खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I forgot this topic to discuss. Thank you so much for. ये बहुत important है कि अगर एक इकोसिस्टम का जो चेन है, अगर वो because of due to incessant disruption of the human beings, it has been continuously disrupted, damaged, or you can say we have destroyed it. So it is very important to preserve everything, not only plants, there are animals, even the insects have a role to play in our own existence. You see, India is home to 1,000 such species which are under red list of extinction, that they are going to extinct very soon. 1,000 such species. India is home to 1,000 such species. You can imagine the scale, the extinction of these things. So very good. Thank you so much. कि हमें छोटे steps, yeah, he said कि गर्मियों में चिड़ियों के लिए पानी रख सकते हैं हम, और जो हम थोड़ा बहुत कर सकते हैं वो हमें करना चाहिए. एंड मैं तो एक और चीज बोलूंगी दैट वी डिड अवर सेशन टुडे, tomorrow is Earth Day. We did our session today to prepare you guys to celebrate the Earth Day before it completes. तो मैं चाहूंगी कि go on tomorrow, upload your status, your make some reels, make your story. Let the people know that today is Earth Day. We need to discuss it. Go on. Yeah. So last but not the least, the things that we discussed in our session was and what we need to take home. Yes, yes.
दीदी, जो हमारे अभी अर्थ पे है ना, जितने भी स्पीसीज थे अभी उससे सिर्फ 0.01 स्पीसीज बचे हैं हमारे अर्थ पे अभी तक. इतने सारे स्पीसीज विलुप्त हो चुके हैं.
Oh, I didn't know that fact. Thank you so much.
दीदी
Yes.
जी, जैसे कि जो हम मोबाइल को यूज कर रहे हैं और जो टावर से उसकी जो फ्रिक्वेंसी आ रही है वो वर्ड्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रही है.
या एब्सोल्युटली. तो अगर उसका भी हम कोई इलाज निकाल सके, या फिर जैसे कि टावर्स को ऐसी जगह पे लगाना जहाँ पे बर्ड्स का माइग्रेशन कम हो, इट कैन रिड्यूस इट, राइट? सो वी हैव टू कम अप विद innovative ways or creative ways to do things. This was very good, means identification of the problem, this frequency one, very nice. So what are the things that we need to take home from this session? Last but not least, don't forget to avoid single use plastic. Single use plastic, principal ma'am also told to make you focus कि है ना, जब भी आप कोई चीज खरीदें, please notice the number the number which is written in on that plastic. If it is 2, I think, yeah, I will confirm it. So जब भी नंबर देखना, कुछ नंबर सेफ होते हैं प्लास्टिक के और कुछ अनसेफ होते हैं, तो जो अनसेफ होते हैं प्लीज अवॉइड यूजिंग देम. एंड सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक तो हम बहुत आसानी से अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, सो प्लीज अवॉइड इट. क्योंकि सिंपली आजकल तो पता नहीं क्या ट्रेंड है, दाल भी प्लास्टिक के पैक्स में आती है. सो ट्राई बाइंग जो ओपन वाली होती है, ट्राई बाइंग दैट. एनकरेज योर पेरेंट्स टू डू दैट, कि जितना हो सके सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं बहुत इजीली. तो come up with your own ways to avoid it. Plant trees, we all know. I don't need to emphasize on it. Avoid unnecessary wants. I already discussed the minimalism or the importance of minimalism it has on the environment. Have conversations. Make the conversation worth your attention. Talk about it. Make people aware that there is a problem and we need to discuss it. We need to tackle it. Make it worth it. And yeah, be grateful to your Mother Earth. Mother Earth is someone we have to always be grateful to. So we need to be very grateful to the Mother Earth. कल Earth Day है, और जैसा कि आप लोग सभी को मैसेज भी मिला होगा, try to express your thoughts, make some drawings, make some poetry or anything you can to show your gratitude towards Earth. And I also said make some reels, share message with your friends, upload a story, do anything. Just make them people aware that today is Earth Day. We need to discuss it. Yes, yes.
2, 4, 5 नंबर की प्लास्टिक सेफ होती है, बाकी हमें अवॉइड करनी चाहिए.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I was just.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I would like to add one thing to conclude, that we should know the difference between want and need. As Ayushi explained, कि जो want नीड्स हैं वो लिमिटेड हो सकती है, बट वांट्स हैज नो लिमिट. उनकी कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है. तो हमको अपनी जरूरतों को और अपनी जो डिजायर्स होती हैं उनके बीच की जो बारीक सी जो दायरा होता है, लाइन होती है, उसमें हमको फर्क करना है. फिर हमारी जो हम रेकलेसली जो कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं नेचर को, वो उसके ऊपर लगाम लगेगी. एंड थैंक यू सो मच आयुषी, तुलिका, फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस वंडरफुल एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन and hitting our emotions in such a satiric sense. Thank you all other students also who participated and came with bright suggestions. Hope we all will contribute and join hands to protect Mother Earth and encourage people around us. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. And one more thing, as ma'am said about the difference between need and want, there is a saying, the real wealth is poverty of desires. So try to reduce your desires. Okay. So I would like to, is Shelly ma'am here? I would love if she can end the session and address the students, as well as Diksha ma'am. Ma'am, please. Thank you for your continuous support.
It's our pleasure, Ayushi, and it's your kind support that you are just providing to the juniors of yours. And I hope juniors also have learned a lot from both of you. And it was a good survey or research that you both have did it. It is really very appreciated, and good luck. And I hope such sessions we will have more and more. I hope now students are also ready. Today we have, tomorrow we are having one more session on Earth Day, Ayushi. You also should attend it, where 9th class students are going to organize it. So they are present over here, like Prachit is here, more like Tanya, Udita is also here. So they are going to organize it tomorrow. So I just request you both to come and attend it also, so that you can also motivate them and guide them for the further sessions. Okay, thank you so much. And it is really very good.
It was our pleasure. Thank you.
Fine. It's good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, is Shelly ma'am gone?
No, Shelly ma'am has left, I think.
Okay.
She
Ma'am,
has
is
left.
there any other teacher? We would
here we have Tanuja ma'am.
Yeah, she addressed. Thank you, Tanuja ma'am, for your address, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Rekha ma'am and Nagin sir was also here, I think, so he left.
Thank you so much.
Amrita ma'am is also here. Amrita ma'am is also here.
Yes, ma'am. Amrita ma'am, thank you so much for attending. Ma'am, do you want to say something?
Amrita ma'am. Okay. So it was good. I think we should end it over here.
Yes, ma'am.
It was really good and appreciable, both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi, for this wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you for your continuous participation and the enthusiasm that you gave answers. I was nervous. Will you give or not?
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Didi.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice. Ma'am, you can end it.